left side pass, left side pass. What does that mean? Well, basically for the leader, it means left side opens up, okay? Not right side, but left side. That's how you're really gonna know. Don't base it off so much on the footwork or position at this point. It's just open at the left side, cool? Now, I'm gonna give you two looks, an early and a kind of like a on time or a little bit late. So we understand that we're gonna lengthen one, shorten the other, cool?
And it doesn't mean either one is right or wrong.
Correct.
They both just happen. But for more information on that,
go to Private Lesson Style videos. That gives you more in-depth stuff here, okay? These are called quick views. We're going to give you a quick view of both, all right? So let's go ahead and start the long one first, kind of like the average. So we're going to start off left side, okay? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Lovely job. So let's go ahead and do this. We're going to take it from this angle on this side. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Now we're going to come toward the camera and away from the camera on this one. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Hooray, hurrah, you got it through. All right? Now, that's a little bit more of the extended, longer version, average, if you will. But when we think average, sometimes that varies because sometimes there's early leads or guys kind of like leading a little bit shorter. So from
and
that,
sometimes you do it on purpose.
Yeah, sometimes on purpose, absolutely.
It's a different look.
Yeah, it just gives it a different look. Like she said, it was more or less trying to give it a faster song so much. So you want to kind of bear with me here, walk through this, okay? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Notice you're still passing your feet, you just rotate a little earlier. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Cool? All right, let's go toward the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, cool. There you have it. Two types of left side pass. It's up to you to go work on it, practice it, all right? And then come on back and learn the next pattern.